Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine in Windows 11. If you're getting this error when trying to run certain programs, don't worry, we've got a few steps to help you solve it. Step 1. Click on the Start menu and type Registry Editor into the search bar. Click on it and hit Yes if prompted by User Account Control. In the Registry Editor, expand HKey Local Machine, then expand Hardware, then Description, and click on System. Step 2, in the System folder, look for the entry called System BIOS Version. Double-click it, and in the text field, type newbox-1, just like that, then click OK. This helps trick the system into thinking it's not running on a virtual machine. Step 3, open the Start menu again and type on Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type in sfc/scanow and press Enter. This will scan your system files and repair any issues automatically. Step 4. Find your virtual machine software. Right-click on its shortcut and choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Step 5. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now go ahead and restart your computer for the settings to take effect. After rebooting, the application should run without showing the virtual machine error. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.